Do you have a lot of servos that you don't know what to do with and not enough light switch for your RC cars? Well, don't throw them away. I'm going to show you how to turn your servo into a light switch for your RC cars. This is the inside of the servo. So I left the motor in there. That's the motor. You want to take the wires off of here and here. Now when you take off the wires of here, you want to attach them to your lights. Your light wires. You will have to cut them off. You will have to cut off the part that sticks inside of the receiver. So just do that. Make sure that this is leveled. And what I mean by that is if you turn it a certain way, then it will
Sorry for my stuttering. What I meant was it will not function properly.
I'm going to plug this in. A multi-channel receiver and the Radio Link Sync 6-channel controller. So what you want to do is you want to program this to a button on the side. And you see the lights, So that's really it. I have it on channel 6. And what you want to do is you want to go here, aux chain act, and then when it goes to channel 6 or whatever channel you're using, you just set it up to the button that you're using. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you for watching.